be a significant part of many of the IT companies. And I say, I'm asking this because if you look at the investors, they are not so confident on the way Indian IT companies are doing on AI. The IT index itself has been underperforming the benchmark by nearly 21% this year because the narrative of AI has been taken away by American companies. Some of the Chinese companies are taken away that, and Indian IT is seen as an anti-AI trade.
I think the investors are not being practical. I need to remind all these investors is that mainframe was dead a long time ago. That the guy who, landed on the moon, and the software that was used at that time by the NASA was, something which I think you can now put it on a musical greeting card. And you still have the same technology of musical greeting card or the same technology that is the mainframes of yesterday still being used. So guys, please do not assume that people change that fast, and that includes corporates, that includes the biggest banks in the world, biggest insurance company, biggest healthcare companies in the world. So that is number one. There will be there is a change, but it is not as fast as some of us are predicting from a practical point of view. Second is that even in India, we are the one who have done some of the best work on digital infrastructure. Whether it's a UPI, RuPay or Digi Yatra, but go to the airport. Is there a queue at Digi Yatra? Never. Reason is some of us take a little longer to adopt, but that's human way of working. So my recommendation for the investors is that Indian IT industry will weather and in a way embrace the storm. I think they are excited about it, that ultimately AI is probably being seen as a magic bullet, but it takes a little longer. Think about all the things that you hear, and each one of you reads in the newspapers the same time. Is AI inclusive? Is AI ethical? Is AI protecting your copyrights? Is AI, and will you allow in a corporate for somebody to start using AI without being sure that there is enough policing and controls? So if you cannot allow it to be used immediately, where will you use it? You will use it in a call center. To integrate it backwards, and like for example at IONOS, we today have solutions which are about 35%. Why? Because each one of my agents has also got a agentic AI pilot with him. If with that person, him or her, if I'm able to increase the productivity, I'm challenging anybody in this room, have they replaced their personal assistants with the agentic AI? If they have not replaced it, that only means is the adoption takes its own due course, and once you replace it, you would still actually find more time to be more creative and do more things. So I think Indian IT is here to stay. Indian IT services sector is here to stay. And I am confident that it opens up more opportunities, and hence for investors they need to take a relook.
CP, you have seen multiple phases of Indian IT. From the Y2K days to transformations, deals which have come in, to cloud computing, now machine learning. How do you see the structure of Indian IT companies changing from here on?
So let's take a few examples. Till yesterday, let's take an example of healthcare. Now, we had one of the biggest crises in the world called the COVID.